Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox cursor going off screen. So the first step, you want to head over to search and type in settings, click on it. Once this, we're going to click on system, then we're going to click on display. Then you want to make sure that your correct monitor has been selected. This one's mine right here. You might need to click on identify so that your monitor can pop up. Now once you do that, you want to scroll down to where it says display resolution. You want to click on this and make sure that it's set to the recommended resolution. So guys, for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in Microsoft Store. Once you find this, you want to right click on it and then click on app settings. Then next to Microsoft Store, you want to click on the three dots, then click on advanced option. Then you want to scroll down and then click on reset and then click on reset again. So guys, for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in Roblox player and then click on open file location. Then you want to right click on Roblox player again and then click on open file location again. Now when it says Roblox player beta.exe, you want to right click on this and then click on properties and then head over to the compatibility tab, and then you want to take run this program in compatibility mode. You want to take disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator and then click on OK. You want to do the same thing for Roblox player launcher.exe. You want to right click on it and then click on properties and then click on the compatibility tab and then take run this program in compatibility mode. Then take disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator and then click on OK. Now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.